everyone! For today's video, we will be showing you how properly done the bag technique. But before that, I will explain first what is bag technique. So we have the principles of bag techniques. So this bag technique is designed to prevent the microorganism and infections and ensure the safe and effective delivery of care during home or community visits. So bag techniques in nursing is guided by several fundamental principles designed to maintain cleanliness, prevent infections, and ensure efficient and safe patient care. So we have the core principles of bag technique. Number 1 is infections control, to minimize the risk of cross-contamination between sa patients and sa nurse. The second one is organization and accessibility, so that all supplies are easily accessible and can be used efficiently. The third one is cross-minimize contamination, because we all know that cross-contamination can lead to the spread of infections. Number 4 is patient and environment. We need to choose a clean, stable surface to prevent the potential contamination, and also we need to ensure patient's environment as clean as possible to reduce risk ng contaminations. And also we need to document and monitoring to ensure the accountability, continuity of care, and adherence to infections control protocols. And lastly is education and learning. Proper instructions and ongoing learning ensure nurses have the knowledge and skills needed to perform this technique effectively and safely. Thank you.
Magandang umaga, ma'am.
Magandang araw din po sa inyo.
Ma'am, ako po si Christine Filiana, isang student nurse ng Bimsu Eslo. Ako po ay magkakandak ng home visit at OB bag preparation po. So, okay lang po ba sa inyo yon?
Okay lang naman po.
So, bago po natin i-start, pwede po bang makahingi ng table po or di kaya flat surface para po paglapagan ng aking OB bag?
Sige po, dito lang po. Sige po.
Wound care. Wound care is essential for preventing infections, promoting faster healing, minimizing scarring, reducing pain, preventing complications, maintaining functionality, and supporting overall health.
niyo pong linisan ang inyong sugat para maiwasan po natin ang infection?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, sa susunod po, babalik po ako ha para i-check po yung sugat po ninyo.
Sige po, ma'am.
Salamat po. Thank you po.
Salamat din po.
Record the visit accurately. Write all the necessary things to know. Assessment, observation, as well as the nursing care and treatment done. For the last one, make an appointment for the next visit by writing the date and time.